The barrel of a fountain pen, cylindrical in shape, is 7 centimeter long and 5 millimeter in diameter. A full barrel of ink in the pen will be used up when writing 310 words on an average. How many words would use up to a bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter? Answer correct to nearest 100 words. So first thing we'll do is drawing part. We'll draw a cylindrical barrel. Say this is a cylindrical barrel of a pen. Okay. Now it says that this barrel has a certain length and diameter. So what is the diameter? Diameter is from here to here. How much? 5 mm. And the length is how much? Basically the height is 7 centimeter. Now we should convert those into same unit, either mm into centimeter or centimeter into mm, whichever is easier for you, because it cannot be in two different units here. So let's convert this into mm, centimeter, mm into centimeter. So how do you convert mm into centimeter? We know that 10 mm is 1 centimeter. So I have to divide this by 10. So this will become centimeter now. Clear? But again, this is not the radius. Radius is half of that. So know the radius here will be half of that. That is half of 5 upon 10 centimeter. So that is equal to 5 by 20. Or we can say, if it is cancelled here, 5 by 10 is 2 times. So we can make it as what? This will go 2 times. So 1 upon 4 centimeter. Leave it. This is the radius that we got. Height is 7 centimeter. Now we have got the height, we have got the radius. Now we have to find it out. So it says if you fill it up completely, it will be used in writing 310 words on an average. So what is the volume of this one? So find out the volume of this. The volume here will be equal to cylinder is pi r square h. So what is the value of pi? We know that. So volume of the ink that it can accommodate right now would be 22 upon 7 into r is how much? 1 upon 4 whole square into h is 7. So that will be volume of ink in it would be how much? 22. This 7 and this 7 will get cancelled. So 22 into 1 upon 4 square, which is 16. That's it. So we can say volume is 22 upon 16 centimeter here, centimeter square. There's another problem here. We have to convert. It says it has got 1/5 of a liter. So this is okay. First let me write it here. This 22 upon 16 centimeter square, sorry, not square, is a cube. So 22 upon 16 centimeter cube of ink can write how many words? 310 words. Remember this part. 310 words. Fine. So they're asking how much how many words would be say written by 1/5 of a liter. So we can say what is 1/5 of a liter? So 1/5 of a liter is, you have to convert that into centimeter cube. We know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So how much is the ink? 1/5 of it. So 1/5 of 1 liter is how much? 1/5 of this much centimeter cube of ink. right? They're asking 1/5 of these many centimeter of ink will write how many words. So we have to use the unitary method here. What is the unitary method? Unitary method says if 22 upon 16 centimeter cube writes 310 words, then 1 centimeter cube will write how much? 310 divided by 22 upon 16 means into 16 by 22 words. How many that we have to find? If you divide it by 5, it becomes 200 centimeter cube, right? So 200 centimeter cube will write how much? You have to use it, and that will be how much? 310 into 16 upon 22 into 200. Got it? So let's see here. If we calculate, what will happen in it? So what is the calculation that we have? The calculation is, can we cancel something? Yes, we can simplify it here like this. $310 into 16 into 2 into 100, okay, upon 22. So this 2 will cancel it, make it 11, right? Anything more it can cancel. So maybe let's see if 310 can get cancelled by it or not. 310, can it be divided by 11? So answer is not, it will not. So we have to multiply and divide it finally. So it will be 310 into 16 into 100, okay, and then everything has to be divided by 11. So it says approximately this 200 centimeter cube of ink can write approximately 45,091, 90.90 something comes, so 91 words it can write here. Fine. So let's see. But if you read the question, it says we have to find nearest to 100. So it's not nearest to 100. We can't take 90 or 50 like that. So nearest to 100 will be what? Nearest to 100 should be only 100 kinds here. It should be if it is 50 or more than 50, it will become 100 here, right? So it will be 45,100 words, and this is the answer in it. So understood how to do it? What do we have to do in this case is we have to first find the volume of cylinder, and by unitary method, okay, we need to know how much of ink has to be used. 1/5 of a liter, that is, remember, 1000 cc is equal to 1 liter. So it will be 1/5 of it is 200 cc or centimeter cube or cubic centimeter, same thing. So we know the unitary method. These many centimeter cube can write these many words, and then 1 centimeter this much, 200 will write how much, and you have to calculate and you will get the answer in it. Okay, so this is how we have to solve.